Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about what are WebSockets and the Socket IO. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So, what are the WebSockets? Normally in the web, communication happens using the HTTP request, means client server, means you are calling the API and you get the data. Okay. Problem: HTTP is a request response based. The client must ask the server again and again for the polling. That's called the polling. If you call the API again and again, that's called the polling, right? For example, in a charge app, you need to refresh or keep sending requests to check for the new messages. Okay. If somebody using the HTTP, so in that case, you need to refresh and keep sending requests to check for the new messages come or not. Okay. How to solve this problem? WebSockets solve this. WebSockets provide a persistent, full duplex connection between the client and the server. Once connected, both client and the server can send the messages anytime. No need to refresh, no need to ask again and again. Example differences: polling versus WebSockets. HTTP polling. So, like, first of all, the client send a message. Do I have a new message? Then server it says no. Then client, do I have a new message? Server says yes. This wastes the bandwidth and is slow. What about the WebSockets? Client, I am connected. Server, cool. I'll let you know if anything new happens. Server, here is a new message, send instantly. So this is the WebSocket. Real time and efficient. Okay. So what is Socket IO then? Socket IO is a JavaScript library that makes using the WebSocket super easy. It works on the top of the WebSockets and the falls back to the other methods like polling if WebSockets are not supporting. Provides many features out of the box like automatic reconnection, event-based communication, emit on, supports rooms and the namespaces, works across the browsers. Fourth, where do we use WebSockets and the Socket IO? Some real world use cases we have: chat applications, WhatsApp, web, Slack, Messenger, real time notifications, Facebook lives, Instagram comments, live location tracking like Uber, Swiggy, Zomato, delivery tracking, online multiplayer games, real time dashboards, and the analytics. Why not just use HTTP? HTTP is one way and the request driven. For the real time apps, you need instant push from the server. So, WebSocket plus Socket IO allow this. Okay, so this is all about the WebSocket, Socket IO, and HTTP request. Hope you understand what's the differences. Any doubt, any query? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.